Well, haven't been here in a while. Nice to be back. Might as well go hang out with the 2001 bros. Hey, watch it. Hopefully that knocked some sense into you. Now I bet you know what an accident is. Yeah, it's when you yourself in public. Oh, and by the way, are you p50's girlfriend? God heck no. Really? He is always talking about how much you love him and that you want to go out on a date with him. I'd never say you're about to become an accident, just like my brother. You don't understand. You're seriously embarrassed of telling me. I never knew you were such a naive siren. Hey, I'm not as naive as I look. I took down a homicidal maniac over on my channel, and she had a knife. You have nothing. Neither do you. I don't need anything more than my bare antenna anyways. Is that all you got? No, it isn't. Good, that's it. Prepare to face the rainbow. Alright. All colors at once make dark gray or black. You ruined my paint. So that's it. How are those armed weapons? These are weapons. Oh. I'm growing weaker now. Can't give up yet? Absolutely not. Your health is at 5%, while mine is at 70%. You might as well just throw in the towel. I just gotta do one more attack and you'll be out. Try me.
I'm a siren, melodix! Say, what do you...
My turn. Yeah, I freaking dropped your... What? No way. How could this happen? How can an learner be stronger than a p50 like me? Well, this learner knows a bit about self-defense. And it's not like you're any different than your brother. I shot him with my laser eyes many times before, and it has yet to fail. Wait, you beat my bro? Yeah. Check out the other TSM episodes with me in it. Particularly the Japan trip multi-parter. But my brother is almost invincible. I can never beat him in a fight, or at least get away from him. Maybe I could teach you a little about self-defense. Self-defense? You have freaking laser vision. And by the looks of your profile picture you can also breathe fire. I can only do a shoot the loop. And that's only if I don't swallow it. Well, not with laser eyes and fire breath, but with your bare antenna. But only in one condition. Take back every bad thing you said and did to everyone. p50 is already bad enough. We don't need another instance of double trouble. Ha. No way. Or you'll become the first victim of my fire breath. Ah, okay, fine, I'll apologize. Good. Hey.
I'm off the head.
No, wait. I'm not gonna pick on you. I just wanted to apologize for smacking you on the head and being such a jerk. I thought I was cool, but I was actually being as bad, if not worse than P50. But he is the king of evil here. I don't think we need another one of him. But again, I'm very sorry.
Well, I really appreciate that. Thanks.
No problem. Wow. That actually felt kinda good. Like the ice has been loosened. You know what? I'm gonna go apologize to everyone else I've wronged.
Thank you, and I forgive you.
I won't treat you like anymore. I know you were just trying to help me find my dough.
Hey there, Mr. Toilet and Mrs.
Garbage can.
Hey, you look like one too.
Well, I'm a more handsome trash can.
More like a trash can.
Whatever.
Why you little...
Hannah. Are you okay?
I just can't win.
Wait. Ain't Wingo teaching you self-defense?
Oh yeah. I should check to see if she's available.
Okay, well I'm outta here.
Okay, bye.
Watch me nail this script.
Wow. You're good at this.
My turn.
Oh, hang on, I gotta pick this up. Hello, how's it going? Great. Everyone accepted my apology. And I gotta say, being nice is way cooler than bullying everyone. Oh, awesome. Hey, I was just wondering, when will you be able to teach me the ways of self-defense? I'll be free tomorrow afternoon, if you wanna stop by. Yes, please. Alright. Be here at about noon, okay? Okay, Wingo. See you tomorrow.
Who was that?
It was P50's sister. She wants to learn how to defend herself from P50, since he seems to be stronger than her. But I told her that I would teach her self-defense if she apologized to every siren she was picking on, which she did. So she's coming over tomorrow at noon to learn self-defense.
Well, that's nice. Let's get back to the game.
Righto.